My name is Luceth. I am in the graduate program for health and wellness management. I will be graduating in May. I'm originally from Cali, Colombia, down in South America, but I have lived in Green Bay since I was 9 years old, and so we moved here in 2004, and I completed my undergraduate studies at UWGB. What made me choose UWGB as my school is that my family lives in Green Bay. I could not afford going away to a different school, so I figured going to a four-year university, and it was very convenient here in Green Bay, would be my best option. So I did that for undergrad, and then they had the perfect program that I was looking for graduate school as well, so I just stayed at Phoenix. So the research that I'm currently working on is about health disparities in our community. Specifically, I'm focusing on how we can improve the health of the underserved populations in Green Bay. I've been looking at ways to create new programs that might help the health and wellness or change in lifestyles of people in our community. I am hopeful that my research will create awareness among our health systems in Green Bay, and from that we can create more programs for communities such as the Hispanic community, hopefully the homeless community, people who really are underserved. I'm hopeful that our health systems will be able to get a little bit of my research at some point and my experiences, and from that create more programs or find more ways of helping these people. The health systems would be like our hospitals, our clinics, our pharmacies, people who handle the community's health and wellness daily. So I am very busy most of the time. I work full time at the Aging and Disability Resource Center here in Green Bay. I volunteer at Casa Alba, and I also am a full-time student. So in the day I work until 4:30, and after that I focus my time either in school, a little bit of my hobbies, or volunteering. What motivates me is a challenge and change. I love to be able to challenge myself to create change. So when I see that change, that's so rewarding because, for example, in my career specifically, I'm able to see the lifestyle changes that people make and how much better they feel or what positive health outcomes they are getting out of the challenge that I'm making for myself and for them. I love the campus. That's something that I always enjoy to go back and walk around. I also love the gym, although I haven't been there in so long, but the Crest Center is absolutely beautiful. I love how close of a relationship students are able to have with their professors. That's something that's really been helpful for me. I feel like I can always reach out to my professors and it's not always going through a TA or somebody else. It's I can directly speak to my professor and get their insight on things or their perspective or their opinions. It's really a nice relationship that you get to create with your professors as a student. My expectations of the program were to learn more about policy and process development for implementing programs, and I feel like that's completely been achieved. Most of my courses so far have completely focused on policies, procedures, learning the law behind health and wellness, what types of changes have had to occur federally and at the state level so that we can have the programs that we have today and the policies and laws that protect our information and our health. So as of now, I'm working out of my human biology field or health and wellness field, but I'm hopeful that at some point I'm going to be able to get back into health prevention or even some type of consulting within the health and wellness realm. One thing I wish I knew about grad school before starting, specifically with the program that I am doing, it's an all online program, and that was a first for me. So I feel like it would have been really nice to have experienced studying on my own without having a professor directly teaching or lecturing in front of me. That's something that I've really had to learn to just study on my own and research things on my own, find out a lot of things on my own rather than having the professor directly tell me what I'm supposed to know, how I'm supposed to learn, and what types of skills I'm supposed to get out of each assignment or each task. I would definitely recommend UW Green Bay as a college. I feel that specifically my health and wellness management program has been great throughout. My professors have been really easy to contact and easy to work with. So definitely reach out to your professors if you're ever struggling, if you ever have any questions about the program, about the classes. A lot of times they're available to even meet with you prior to applying for a program. So really reach out to professors, reach out to staff, and there's always somebody there to help you and provide more information and what you might be looking for.